Hey everyone, today we're diving into Beehiiv, one of the hottest platforms for building and growing newsletters. If you're thinking about using Beehiiv for your newsletter, stick around because I'll cover the main features, pros and cons, and answer the big question, is it worth it? Dashboard. This is your control center where you can see key stats like subscriber growth, email performance, and revenue. Posts. Here you create and manage all your newsletter editions. The editor is simple, clean, and offers easy formatting options. Audience. This tab shows detailed subscriber data, including engagement, growth trends, and segmentation tools. Monetization. Ready to make money? Beehiiv makes it easy to monetize through ads, paid subscriptions, and referrals. Settings. Customize your newsletter, set up your domain, and manage integrations. Pros and cons. Pros. User-friendly interface, clean and intuitive, perfect for beginners. Powerful growth tools, built-in referral programs, and audience segmentation make it easy to grow. Monetization options, flexibility with ads, paid content, and sponsorships. Cons, limited free plan. The free tier has basic features and limits on audience size. Learning curve for advanced features. While the basics are easy, advanced features, like automation, may take some time to master. So is Beehiiv worth it? If you're serious about growing a newsletter and want powerful tools to scale and monetize, Beehiiv is definitely a solid choice. The free plan is a great starting point, but to unlock its full potential, upgrading is worth considering. Give it a try and see if it fits your goals. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more reviews. See you in the next video.